Today we're doing a Saltillo tile restoration project. Saltillo is a clay floor and extremely porous, therefore it requires that it be sealed up appropriately. So this floor was done about 10 years ago for this customer by a different company, and by now you can see that the seal is failing and there's a lot of efflorescence in areas. So we'll be stripping this all the way back down to the bare clay. The grout joints will be done by hand with a stainless steel brush, followed by rotary scrubbing and then steam extraction. After that, we'll be color sealing all the grout joints and then sealing it back up with an appropriate sealer. So let's get to work.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change.